children. In module 2 I gave the homework, no? Did you do that one? I told to draw the layers of the earth based on the mineral composition. There are three: crust, mantle, core. Next one mechanical. Based on the mechanical, I told yesterday 5 layers are there, shown in the diagram also. No. First one lithosphere. Next one is the asthenosphere, mesosphere, outer core, inner core. I hope you did the homework. Now today we will discuss the module 3. We will discuss the module 3. In this module 3, we discuss the rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals. Rocks means what? Rocks means mineral particles. Minerals. Minerals means what? Suppose salt is there. We are taking the salt now in the food. It is a mineral. Water. It is a mineral. So here minerals. Minerals collected together. There are small pieces. They collected together, compact and form the rocks. Different rocks are there. Suppose this chalk is this. This is one type of rock. In this graphite is there. This is also one type of rock. And we see so many rocks in our house also. How you can see kitchen? Suppose our kitchen is there, platform is there, no? Our kitchen platform, it made with the granite. See, in our house floor is there, the floor made with the marble. Different items we can see in our house only. Suppose our house walls are there, these walls, these are made with the cement and white coat is there. This also come under the minerals. And different rocks. Inside rocks also is there. Granite. And suppose any construction is going on, down first they will do the foundation with the granite because it is very strong. In our house we can see the wet grinder now. Live example. You know the wet grinder now? Our mother will use. So in that grinder also you can see 2 rotating stones are there. That also made with the granite. So many stones in our house only we can see the examples. Then what is the important to learn these rocks? Different rocks are there around us. What are the uses of the rocks? How the rocks were formed? All the rocks are same. All rocks are in same color. I told this is also one rock. This is also one rock. Is the same color? Is the same color? Both are in white only? No. Graphite you see different color. Chalk see different color. Granite different color. Redstone different color. So the stones are in different color. Rocks are in a different color, different size. Some rocks are soft. Suppose this is there. Here. Graphite, you take the chalk. There are smooth rocks. Granite, very hard. Okay. So the rocks are different in color and they are hard. Some are hard and the surface also differ. Texture. Texture means how they are made. Some rocks made with very hard. Means inside the molecules tight. Interlocking. In the soft rocks not like that. Interlocking is not there. Okay. They form the layer by layer. This all how happened. We study in the types of rocks. We'll see in the types of rocks. So today our module 3. We'll see the types of rocks. The rocks are divided into 3 based on the formation. Igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. Okay. In this first one is igneous. This word it is the Greek word. Igne means fire. Latin word. Here igne means fire. Igneous means it came from the fire. Fire means how it came from the fire. You know volcano. Anytime you saw that eruption in video or picture, volcano eruptions. See, I will show you volcano eruptions. Surface of the earth. Suppose here from the mantle, already we discussed now in the mantle magma is there, liquid form is there. So here the liquid form, it is magma. Inside it is called magma. It is coming out like this. It is called lava. This process is the volcanoes they are erupting. Erupt of the volcano. So this is called lava. Lava is in which color? Do you know? You saw any time? It is in red color. The lava is in red color. Okay. So when you came out, this lava came out. Okay. It takes million years, some years, after some years, because of the temperature. Here, see here, high temperature is there inside. Already we discussed. Here high temperature is there. Here the temperature is decreases. Because of this low temperatures, this lava, liquid lava, it start solid. It start the solid and form the rocks. It start forming the rocks. So like this, the mountains also will form. Deccan plateaus. So here the igneous rocks are called primary rocks. They are called primary. Why they are called the primary rocks? Because out of these three rocks, first rock formed only this rock through the lava. That's why it is called the primary rock. These igneous rocks are two types: extrusive rocks, intrusive rocks. Extrusive means here X means outside. Extrusive means outside. Intrusive means inside. Extrusive means outside. This is the outside rock formation. It may be the mountains. So here we can see the mountains. Some places we can see the plateaus. Some places like this plateaus also we can see. Example is the Deccan Plateau. Example is the in India Deccan Plateau. Like this it was formed. Okay. Some places we can see the mountains. Some places we can see the Deccan Plateau like the pan. Expressive rocks. Suppose sometimes what happened, this lava will not come out. It cools down only. Here only the lava flow like here also. It cool here down only. It form the intrusive rocks. These are the intrusive rocks. It cool inside only. How you know the rocks are inside? We are taking the minerals inside also, no? Mining, it taking the inside also. So we come to know inside also rocks are there. When we are doing any construction work, we are digging the land, we can see intrusive rocks. So here we discuss about the igneous rocks. In the Latin word, igneous means fire. Therefore, fire means here lava. From the lava they are forming. They are called the primary rocks. Why they are called the primary rocks? Out of these three rocks, first igneous is forming. So the lava, if it cools outside, it cools the outside. Then it forms, it may be mountains or it may be plateau. So here inside, suppose the lava cools inside, that is called the intrusive rocks. Then what is the characteristics of the igneous rocks? How they are? They are very hard. I told already, here the rock, if you will take, inside molecules are there. It made with the minerals molecule particles. They are interlocking. It is hard to break. Granite you take. It is hard to break the granite. Like that they are the hard, very hard, and the surface also hard, and they have the different in color. Example, granite is one best example. Okay. Next one we see the sedimentary rocks. How these sedimentary rocks will form? Sedimentary. In the Latin, sedimentary means deposition. How the sedimentary rocks will form? Here, three formations are there. Sedimentary rocks formation, they are divided into three. One is the natural formation. Next one is the mechanical formation. Next one is the chemical formation. So the sedimentary rocks are forming in three. One is the mechanical. Here mechanical means what? Suppose this is the igneous rock. Already it formed, no? So here what is the mechanical form means? Suppose this mountain is there. Like this mountain is there. In this mountain, it hit by the continuous rains. One side temperature. So here what happened? Because of the high temperature and continuous hit by the rain, these big mountains in the denudation process. This is called the denudation process. Denudation means any big rock is there. Suppose one big rock is there, like this big rock is there. Okay, this big rock what happened? Because of the agents like rain and agents like temperature and rainfall continuously hit. It take million years. It take the million years. So here continuous hit by the rainfall, continuous of the temperature. This mother rock became the weak. This mother rock, this is the mother rock. It became the weak. Then what it will happen? We can see small cracks. Cracks we can see on this surface of the mother rock. We can see the cracks. So after so many years, million years it will take. This cracks what happened? Surface of the mother rock got into pieces. This is one piece. Like this pieces it will divide. Pieces it will divide. So here suppose it is happening in the mountain area. Here river will start. In the mountain area, what happened? It is happened to the mountain only. This process. Now here river started. The rivers will start in the mountain areas because of the melting of the ice. Melting of the ice, rivers will start the mountain areas. Now because of this slope, the river is bringing the stones. Small stones it is bringing. Okay, this process is called denudation process. This process is called denudation process. In the denudation process, agents are rainfall and temperature. So here, next one, here this all coming, no, river is bringing this all. Here the agent is the river. So here the river is the agent, transportation. In the transportation, it brings the all rocks to the river. River. First year it brought. Next second year same process again are coming. So the rocks are forming layer by layer. First year it brought. Second year in the rainy season again it brought. Next second third year. Next fourth year. Like this it is brought. River is bringing the river water is bringing the small pieces and depositing one by one layer. First layer again top layer like this. So here layer are deposited. Then they will compress. Together. Then they form the cement. Cement means get together all and it will form the sedimentary rock. They will form the sedimentary rock. Already in the igneous rock we discussed about the what is interlocking. The molecules are interlocking. But in the sedimentary rocks we can see the layers. Suppose that this is the rock. Here we can see like this layers inside the rock. Suppose if you will see side of the rock, like this layers it will. Easily we can see like this. Why? Layers it form, it take the million years to form. In the mechanical process. This is in the mechanical process. Example is limestone. Limestone, this graphite, this all. Next one I told already mechanical process. Next one we see the natural process. What is the natural process here? Sedimentary rocks how they form is already we discussing here. No, they form layer by layer rocks. In this layers, what will happen? Dead animals, sea animals are there, no? Marine animals, otherwise any decayed leaves. Okay, human dead things, anything they deposit between the layers of the rocks. They will deposit the medium in the middle of the rocks. That is called the natural process. We can get here coal or petroleum. Example is coal or petroleum. Next one we see the chemical process. Sedimentary rocks they are forming in the chemical process. This is the salt is the best example here. Salt also one mineral. How the salt is here forming? Evaporation process. Evaporation means ocean water will evaporate. Then it form the water evaporate. Only the solid part is the salt. Salt is remain down. So here in the chemical process salt is there. Now you understand sedimentary rocks? I hope you understand. So the sedimentary rocks, sedimentary in the Latin word means deposition, layer by layer deposition. Here sedimentary rocks are formed from the igneous rocks. So here from the igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks are forming. How they are forming? So here three types of formation is there: mechanical, Next one natural, next one chemical. In the mechanical already we discussed. So denudation process. Then the denudation process, the agents are rainfall and temperature. In this the temperature daytime is more. Summer also temperature is more. So when the temperature is more, the stone will expand. Night time when it the cool is there, contrast it will come to close. Expand, coming to close. Then the rock become weak. The rock become weak, and when it became the weak, it will start the crash. Okay, we can see the live example also. Suppose we are wearing the clothes now. You see 1 year after, 2 years after, you observe your shirt. What will see? Outside the shaded part. If you will see inside, thick color is there, but outside the color is faded. Why it was faded? Because it exposed to the temperature. It exposed to the temperature. So like here the rock also, when it exposed to the temperature, contrast. Okay, so and contrast coming together. Million years after it became the weak, then it get the cracks, then it became into small pieces. Next one it carried by the rivers and depositing the under the ocean, otherwise the river bed. Sedimentary rocks we can see the river bed or the ocean bed. Here igneous rocks we are seeing the surface like a mountain or plateau or inside. But the sedimentary rocks we can see in the river bed, otherwise the ocean. Now when we see third rock is metamorphic. Third one is metamorphic. How this metamorphic rock is forming? So here igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. Igneous and the sedimentary rocks, when they are going deep inside the earth, how they will go? Because the movement of the earth, sometimes here the plate tectonics are there. Tectonic movement, plate movements. So here two plates are there like this. They are moving to like this, one movement. Suppose each other away to each other they are moving. Next one plate is moving up, one plate is moving down. Plate movements are three types. Tectonic plate movements are three types. Here, suppose in the this is the convergence. Convergence means both are coming together. When this both are coming together, one plate is coming like this, another plate also coming like this. What happens sometimes? One plate will go to down of the another plate. This is plate 1, plate 2. Now see how the plate 2 went to inside. Slowly, it slowly will go. Not that much fast. It goes slowly like this. This is the plate 1. Like this it is going. So here this is going like inside. Already you know this is the crust. Here this is the crust. What is there down? What is there? Mantle. Core is there. Like this it is coming means now it solid part. It is the solid. Now it became as the liquid. It became as the liquid. We can see this one example. So after going to the home, you will eat biscuits, no? Sometimes you will dip in the milk, no? Dip in the milk and you will eat biscuit, no? Slowly you dip the biscuit in the milk. What will happen? When it enter into the milk, immediately it will make as a powder. Okay, so when it is enter into, same like here also, when the plate is going inside, here because of the hot temperature, heat is more, because of the pressure is more and the temperature also more. Then this solid rock becoming the liquid. Like that the metamorphic rocks are forming. Here the Latin word metamorphism. Metamorphism means change the one form to entirely another form. You know the butterfly, no? Cycle. How it form from larva to entirely in different stages, it will become a beautiful butterfly. That is called metamorphism. Metamorphism means change from one entirely to another form. Okay, butterfly from larva to butterfly. But we take animals or a human from the small baby to elder one we are becoming. Only we see the size will increase, but the features will not change. Our features will not change. But here metamorphism means entirely it will change the form. It will change the form. So here metamorphic rocks, igneous and sedimentary rocks, these two rocks, when how they are going to the mantle. Here with this example I show you when they are going, how they are going to the mantle. So when they are going to the mantle, because of the high temperature here, high temperature and pressure is more. Temperature and pressure is more, then they are forming the metamorphic rock. They are forming the metamorphic rock. This is the soft rock. Metamorphic is a soft rock. Example, clay. From the clay to slate. Slate, you know, you saw anytime slate. If you will go to any vegetable market, they will keep price now. They will write on the slate. Suppose this is the slate. They will hang to anywhere. They will write the price 50 rupees. Like this they will write. This is called the slate. This is called the slate. So from the clay to slate. Coal, you know, no? Coal. Coal, black color. Like this pieces are there, no? When it go to higher pressure, temperature, then it form as a diamond. So that is, coal is the sedimentary rock example. Diamond is the metamorphic example. Marble. Marble also example to the metamorphic rock. Now you understand now? Three types of rocks you understand now? How they are forming? Once again we will recap. Igneous rocks. Three types of rocks are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic. Igneous rocks, how they are forming? Through the volcano. Through the volcano they are divided into extrusive outside. If the lava cooled inside, they are called the intrusive rocks. Next, the second rock is sedimentary. So when these igneous rocks, they expose it to the denudation process. Here the agents are rainfall and temperature. Then after denudation process, transportation through the river. Next one is the deposition, cementation. Okay. They are forming. Here three types also we divide. Mechanical, natural, chemical. Next one, metamorphic rocks. So this igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, how they are going inside, moving up the plate tectonics, they are going inside because of the magma inside the mantle layer. Because of the high temperature and pressure, these rocks are changing as a metamorphic rocks. Example also I told. Clay made as a slate, soft rock. Next one, coal become as a diamond. Diamond is a hard rock. Marble. Okay. Today task of the day. Today task of the day. So you have to draw in a table format. How you will draw this table format? Today task of the day. How will you write this one? So here serial number 1, 2, 3. Next one, types of rocks. Igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock. Next one, you write the characteristics. I told you how it is the hard colors, okay, and interlocking the molecules. Write the example. Characteristics you write and examples. Right. Here I told the granite. Here sedimentary, salt, coal, petroleum, limestone, graphite. I told you. Next metamorphic. I told you some examples. Coal become as a diamond. Marble. You collect more examples. You collect and made it as a table chart. Thank you, children.